Well, take a look at our Tybee cam here, and this is a beautiful shot looking out towards the Atlantic Ocean. And yeah, there were some people on the beach earlier on, a lot more people obviously, but now we just have a couple of stragglers there on the beach at this point in time. There was some very heavy rain that fell throughout Chatham County, and it continues to give us that flood advisory because of the heavier rains, and this is until 7 p.m. and already 1 to 3 inches has fallen across the area that you see shaded in green. Now, I'll give you a different perspective here. Look at some of the numbers just south of the downtown area: 2.7 inches, 2.4 inches, even over nearly 3.5 inches of rain located just south of I-516. So some very intense rain, a lot of flooded roadways out there. Be careful. Certainly you want to turn around. Don't drown when you come across any sort of flooded roadway. As you see here just in the last 40 minutes or so, boy, that rain, that intense rain just really got eroded away. Now we're just seeing some lighter rains across the area, and that does extend further to the south and a little bit further to the south and west of there. We do have a line of some heavier showers, but again, no lightning associated with it. This is moving to the south and east at about 15 miles an hour. So Jessup and Screven be impacted between 6:35 and about 6:47. Time frame there. Storm impacts, obviously, street flooding and downpours are going to be the main themes for the rest of the evening. Wind gusts are not very low, and lightning right now has diminished as well, so we'll put that more towards the moderate side of things. But again, just be careful out and about in the downtown Savannah area. Here is our time lapse. You can see it quite nicely early on. Boy, look at that heavy rain just right along the lens there of the camera. Boy, it just wiped it right out. And now we're just seeing again some lighter showers in the Savannah region. Temperature's about 77 degrees. A big drop off in temperature here locally because inland areas, Metter and Vidalia and Reedsville, which really haven't seen much of any rain today, you're still holding into the middle 80s at this junction. So expect that trend to continue because I'm not expecting a lot of rain back off to the west, and maybe a couple of spot showers in towards Statesboro, Vidalia, but really we're not going to see a lot of rain off to the west or to the west of I-95. Now, as we get into about that 10:30, 11 o'clock hour, all that rain should be pushing south of the region and out of the area. And then tomorrow will start off dry, although there could be a little morning fog in places that saw some heavy rain today. But that fog will burn off, and we'll have, I think, a fairly decent day tomorrow. Now, tomorrow night's a different matter because we have, looks like another front trying to drop on in, and that will produce some showers and thunderstorms, and that will linger into your Sunday. So the forecast for tonight: some early evening isolated showers and maybe a rumble or two of thunder, but then becoming variably cloudy, and overnight lows will be ranging as they have been into the 70s, 71 to 76 degrees. Now tomorrow and really Sunday, the last 2 days for the Beaufort Water Festival, tomorrow's definitely the better of the 2 days, both days looking into the lower 90s, but I think a drier day for tomorrow for those if you're heading out towards the Beaufort Water Festival. Now the 7-day period here beyond the weekend, well, we're still looking wet here, folks. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday, we've got some showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, so keep that umbrella handy.